Hello and welcome to RiKho Living. In today's video, we will be looking at meditation and exploring its benefits, as well as giving you 3 types of meditations that you can explore and start. This video is perfect for those who have not explored meditation before or are simply wondering what it is and how it can help you. So stay tuned for the whole video so that you can really understand how powerful this awesome practice is. Meditation has been around for centuries. It's a practice that has evolved from the East, mainly associated in Hindu and Buddhist practices. However, it has made its way across the world now, and people are beginning to understand how important meditation is. Our lives are often filled with stress, distractions, and constant demands. We go from one place to the next, and it's quite rare that we can just switch off from everything and have a few minutes of calmness and centeredness. Wouldn't it be amazing to have something in our lives that can allow us a moment of bliss and peace, as well as finding a connection to ourselves? Well, this is exactly what meditation can do for you. In today's fast-paced world, it serves as an oasis of calm, helping you navigate life's challenges with grace. So, let's dive into some of the incredible benefits of meditation. Number 1. Improved focus and concentration. Meditation involves training the mind to maintain attention on a chosen object, thought, or breath. This practice enhances concentration and cognitive clarity. Over time, individuals who meditate regularly often report improved focus in their daily tasks, which can lead to increased productivity and better decision making. Benefit number 2. Enhanced emotional well-being. Meditation helps individuals become more aware of their thoughts and emotions, enabling them to respond to life's challenges with greater emotional intelligence and resilience. Regular meditation practice is associated with reduced symptoms of anxiety and depression, increased self-awareness, and a more positive outlook on life. Benefit number 3. Physical health benefits. Studies have shown that meditation has been linked to reduced blood pressure, improved sleep quality, and a strengthened immune system. Meditation's ability to reduce stress and promote relaxation can have a positive impact on heart health and overall longevity. I believe that the best time to meditate is first thing in the morning. However, if that's not suitable for you, you can try it at a time that works best for you in the beginning. You don't need a fancy meditation mat or crystals to meditate. All you need is to choose a comfortable position, ideally with your legs crossed and sitting up with your back straight. Choose a quiet place where you won't be disturbed, and you can choose to listen to some calming music. We have a selection on our YouTube channel to help with this. I like to meditate for around 20 minutes, but you can choose a shorter time if that's more comfortable for you. So, let's get into a few techniques that you can start today. These types of meditations have been carefully selected for beginners and novice meditators, so don't worry, it's easily doable. Number 1. Mindfulness Meditation. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing your attention on the present moment. Pay attention to the sensation of your breath as it flows in and out. Know that it's normal for thoughts to come in and your mind to wander. And when that happens, gently bring your focus back to your breath without judgment. The key here is to place all of your focus and attention on your breathing. Pay attention to your inhale and exhale, and keep bringing yourself back to your breathing every time you get distracted or involved in thought. Keep repeating this process and you'll find it much easier to get into the flow of things. Number 2. Mantra Meditation. Mantra meditation involves focusing your attention on a particular phrase or mantra. You can choose anything that feels good to you. I personally like to use the affirmation, I am well. As you inhale, in your mind, repeat the affirmation, I am well, and then exhale. And then keep repeating this mantra. You see, you're giving your mind something to focus on. Instead of thousands of uncontrolled thoughts running through our minds, we can actually focus on something that's positive and uplifting. Number 3. Loving Kindness Meditation. Loving Kindness Meditation, also known as metta, is about cultivating love and compassion for yourself and others. Begin by focusing on someone that you love. It can be your partner, your children, your parents, or even your dog. It doesn't really matter who it is, as long as you can feel the emotions of love as you see them in your mind. Begin to feel this emotion of love spread across your entire body and silently repeat phrases like, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe." Then, extend these wishes to loved ones, acquaintances, and even those you may have conflicts with. As with any practice, it can take some time to get into the flow of meditation. It is like training a muscle. The more you do it, the better you'll get at it. We encourage you to explore these techniques, find what resonates with you, and begin your own path towards spiritual connection and inner growth. If you found benefit from this video, please subscribe, like, and comment below. Much love. Until next time.